Guys, are we ready?
Ready.
At home, are you ready? Let's get to work. We're starting with an upper twist and punch. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Punch, and punch, and punch. Guys, I want you to come up on your tiptoe. And punch, and twist your body. Punch. Engage those glutes. As you twist, really squeeze those glutes. And punch. And go, we're not just reaching, we're punching all that negativity out of our lives to have the best day we possibly can have. Well done, team. Great start. We always start strong. Guys, last 10 seconds, punch a bit faster, work a bit harder, squeeze a little bit more. Well done. Come on. Punch, 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 and go, go, walk. Fill those lungs up and recover. We're going straight in to jumping jack and punch in 3, 2, 1. Jack and punch, jack. Guys, I want you to be nice and light on your toes at home and really punch hard. Really engage those triceps. The harder we work, the more we get out of this. Great start, team. Great start. Punch. Jack and punch. Jack and punch. Nice and line your toes and engage your core. Brace your tummy. And punch. Guys, last 10 seconds. Be a bit faster. Be a bit stronger. Work a little bit harder. 3, 2, 1. And go, go, walk. Fill those lungs up. We are lunging with a punch. Nice and big, strong, lunge and punch. Lunge and punch. Guys, get that nice and deep. Lunge and punch. Guys, in this one, if you're not engaging your core, you will wobble all over the place. Be strong. Get down, nice and deep. Use the floor to spring back up. Be strong and be powerful. We're not reaching, we're punching. We're punching, we're punching. This needs to be hard for you to get the most out of this workout. Last 5 seconds, come on guys, punch. And punch, lunge, and punch, and a go-go walk. Fill those lungs, guys. And our stance, bounce. 1, 2, 3 forwards, 1, 2, 3 back. In 3, in 2, and 1. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Guys, we're working our fast twitch fibers. I want you to be explosive. Everything you do in your life, be strong, be powerful, do it with intent. Guys, in 3, we're going to change stance. 2, 1, and switch. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Hands up. Forward, back, forward. Guys, last 10. Forward, back. Push hard, work hard, be strong. We always start strong. That means we have to finish hard. Last 2, last 1, and a go-go walk. Fill those lungs, guys. Now we are squatting up onto our tiptoes. In 3, 2, 1, and a stand squat and tiptoe. Get down nice and low and up on your tiptoes. Guys, the cue for this one is I want you to imagine, draw a big U with your nose. Down and up, down and up, down, up, a letter U, like Sesame Street. Draw that U with your nose. Get down, up. We're going to switch in 2, 1, and switch. Down and up. Get down nice and deep. Push yourself beyond your comfort zone and squeeze up. Well done, Angie. Up those tiptoes. Engage those calves. Engage those glutes. hands up, protect that beautiful face of yours. 3, 2, 1, and rock. Full your arms, guys. We're smashing these legs today. In your stance, we are touching the floor and punching the sky. 2, 1, touch, punch, punch, touch, punch, touch, punch. We're not reaching, we're punching. Any anger, frustration, or hurt you've accumulated this week, punch it out right now to enable you to have the best day you possibly can. I want your back nice and flat, sink your bum to the floor and punch. We're almost there, guys. I promise you. We're almost there. Last 10 seconds. Work hard. Punch. 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 You go, guys. We're doing the abs. We're almost there. Get down. Nice and flat. The back press and push. Guys, on this one, I need you at home to do exactly what these guys are doing. Shoulder base to the floor. Squeeze your tummy. Push your belly button into the floor. Squeeze. Short, shallow breaths. So no hollow in the back. Your back nice and flat and push. Push, push, push. Guys, this is the last exercise. Sit up, team. We're punching over our ankles. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Punch, punch, punch. Come on. Angie is doing the multiplication. I always say, you can't fly and run, you can't run and walk, you can't walk and crawl, but always keep moving forwards. You can do something. Guys, last 5 seconds, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and time. Woo! Congratulations, you've just smashed your 7-minute KO fit. You've activated hormones in your brain to enhance your mood, to supercharge your energy and intensify your determination for the next 24 hours.